Hey, John Disla here again. So today I'll be cloning my GitHub repo into my development program, Visual Studio Code, so I can start working on this and uploading files to GitHub and working with others and having version control and all sorts of good stuff. So right now I'm going to click on clone or download, click on this copy, which will copy the URL of my GitHub repo. Then I'll go into my development program, Visual Studio Code. You should check this out if you haven't. And I want to view the terminal. So when I view the terminal, I can go ahead and start writing Git syntax, I guess, or Git commands is more like it. So I'll do Git. Oh, before I have to actually do Git, you have to get into the folder. So let's see where I am. I'm gonna go into my documents, and in my documents, I'm gonna go into. I have a lot of folders here, but anyway, I'm gonna go into repos. And then in repo, I'm going to git clone, which is a git command, and then I'll paste the URL of my repo. Okay, now I do ls, and as you can see right over there it is, mobile dash. Here is mobile dash. This is my repo. So then what I'll do is I'll cd into mobile dash. Once I'm there, I can open up right here on the side to view my files, and I can actually open it with Visual Studio Code. Don't know why it's not open yet, but I'll go ahead and put code space dot, and there we go. That opened it up. Let me close this one down, and we'll be just using this one here. Now that I have it open, I can actually see the files that are coming from GitHub. These files are coming from right here, license and readme, license and readme. I can also make new files. So if I want to, just like in the command line, I can just do touch. Make sure you're in that folder, mobile dash. I can just do touch index.php or whatever file you want to make, and it's right there. Make directories, etc. So that's how I would transfer over my GitHub repo into my development program. Now I have version control, and I can push and pull and work with others on the repos. All right. Thank you for watching.